Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the WF-1000xm4 off and removing both buds from the case. This prevents accidental inputs and moisture damage. Next, position the charging case open on a soft cloth and lay out a soft brush, lint-free cloth, cotton swabs, and 70% isopropyl. Reason: adequate cleaning without damaging coatings. Once set, gently brush mesh and seams to dislodge dust. Make sure to angle the brush to avoid pushing debris deeper into the mesh. Now focus on each earbud, remove foam or silicone tips and place them aside. Gently brush the speaker mesh to lift particles because aggressive pushing can damage the driver. Dampen a cotton swab with 70% isopropyl, squeeze out excess, and wipe housing, seams, and charging contacts. This dissolves oils without harming electronics. For stubborn grime and narrow seams, use a wooden toothpick lightly. Once done, air dry tips and housings fully before reassembly to prevent trapping. Finish by ensuring every component is completely dry. This avoids short circuits. Then reattach ear tips and place earbuds in the case to confirm charging LEDs. Test audio and noise canceling. If one bud won't charge or play, inspect and clean the gold contact blades in the case and on the bud with a dry cotton swab to remove residue. If problems persist, perform the Sony reset procedure. This often restores functions after stubborn contact or pairing errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.